I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting your data and tools aligned. Open Arcgis Pro and Google Earth Pro and make sure versions match to avoid projection issues. In Arcgis, load the layers you want to view in Google Earth, shapefiles, GeoTIFF, or a prepared KML/KMZ. Once done, set your map projection to WGS84 for seamless export. You export or convert the target layer to KML/KMZ directly from the share or conversion tools, so Google Earth can read it without reprojection errors. Next, you export with intent. Use layer to KML or map to KML and choose an appropriate scale and whether to convert symbology to simple styles. This controls how Google Earth displays colors and icons. Make sure to simplify complex geometry to reduce file size and set altitude mode, clamp to ground or absolute, depending on whether you want draped rasters or floating features. If your map includes imagery, package as KMZ so ground overlays and thumbnails are embedded, keeping visual fidelity when opened in Google Earth. Finally, you open the exported KML/KMZ in Google Earth and verify placement, scale, and styling. If features are misaligned, return to Arcgis, reproject your source to WGS84, and export again, making sure extents and datum align. For very large datasets, split layers or simplify geometry to avoid slow loading. Alternatively, use network links for dynamic updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if icons or symbology are wrong, convert complex styles to basic icons in Arcgis before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.